This system is designed to perform welding on wedges used in valve industry. The system is equipped with PTA as well as thin wire SAW system. Spool holder for SAW wire and powder holder is mounted on the torch handling system itself for ease of operation. Torch handling system has up and down, forward and reverse and 360-degree manual swivel option. Speed control is possible for both up-down as well as forward-reverse movement. Thin wire SAW system of 500 amps and 400 amps PTA system along with chiller for torch cooling is a part of the system. PLC along with 10-inch touchscreen HMI is used to operate the machine. Operator can go to PTA section and turn on off pilot arc, and turn on or off main arc. Operator can go to SAW section to perform similar action. In C and B section, operator has to control to move the torch up or down. He can choose continuous mode or step mode. He can set the speed required. Forward or reverse movement of the torch can be controlled. When he select table and oscillator, he will be able to control the turntable as well as oscillator. I/O section is used to check operation of different I/Os in case of any problem in the system. When operator selects auto, he will be prompted to select the process. Once he selects the process, he will be guided to screen where he needs to input some data. Operator can feed in job diameter, welding width, weaving speed, angular shift, angular speed, overlap if required. Once all parameters are fed, he can choose dry cycle run to operate the system without welding. If he wants to do actual welding, then he should disable dry cycle run and then press start button. Now it will show the time required to complete the weld, actual time in the progress in percentage.